Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are once again going to Kamanahali. Of course, this place is little close to our house, and we are going there to have biryani. And biryani, in the sense, there's little different type of biryani that they make over here, and they make it with bamboo, or they make it in bamboo. It's a bamboo stick where they put the biryani, they heat it up, and they make it. So we're going to go over there in Kamanahali and let's taste this bamboo biryani. So come along with us. Well, we are almost reaching our destination, and we are almost a kilometer from here. Actually, it's almost 500 meters. So this is a very special place where they serve a different type of biryani. We have not tasted how biryani is made inside a bamboo shoot. So we wanted to taste it out. Also, there's a lot of reviews about this, favorable reviews about this restaurant. So let's go there and see and taste how is this biryani.
In 300 meters, turn right.
I feel parking next to the restaurant might be a bit of a problem because there are a lot of cars over the weekends, and we have almost parked it almost 500 meters away from the restaurant. So we have to walk over there. It will be better. Also, when you park your vehicle, see that you place the vehicle. If you're coming from the outer ring road, your vehicle has to be parked on the left hand side, because the right hand side there's no parking. So just be careful about it, else your car might get towed off. Being a Sunday, it's not right that you run behind the police too. It was a very good and interesting place, especially Kamanahali, and the way to walk towards the hotel. There was a lot of sightseeing and shopping that can be seen. And now we are in front of the hotel. The staircase towards the hotel was not very lit up, but anyways, it is on the first floor, so we could walk it up. Well, in fact, this place is, the entrance is at the side of the road, not at the main road. So you have to come in at the side of the road. It's on the first floor. So let's go there. In fact, there was no much signboards in the front of the hotel as bamboo restaurant. But anyways, it was a simple but beautiful place. And this is a menu. Thank you. Please tell me about your biryani.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have two types of biryani here in our restaurant. One we call bamboo biryani, and one we call a kiri biryani. For bamboo biryani, we use basmati rice, and for kiri biryani, we use jeera ka sambar rice, jeera rice.
Jeera rice.
And we don't use any color or essence in this. Everything we prepare is homemade, so our biryani is very less spicy, less masala with medium spices.
Oh, okay.
And we steam inside a bamboo, so we call it a bamboo biryani. And for kiri biryani, we in a banana leaf we wrap it and we steam that. So we steam and wrap it for that, and because of that, it has only very less spicy and less masala with medium spices. And one bamboo biryani serves. It has 2 portions in one bamboo biryani, so it serves to 2 to 3 people. Okay. So it will be sufficient for 2 to 3 people with one bamboo biryani. Super. And for kiri biryani, it's a single portion, so it will serve 1 person. And we do have varieties in the bamboo biryani and kiri biryani with veg and non-veg, and also in the seafood like prawns or squids. And we do have in kiri biryani as well. So you can just go to our menu. We have various of starters in the Chinese. You can see in the first page.
Okay.
And also we have lots of tandoor items in some next pages.
Super.
And you can see seafood items here. It's varieties of like a crab, squids, prawns, fish. Okay. So you can.
There is bamboo mutton biryani, prawn, fish, mussel, veg, tikka, and egg. So prices are pretty nominal also. And there's also kiri biryani, which is around 250 to 300 rupees. For the side dish, we are going for chicken alfam, a full plate of chicken alfam. Okay, we go for chicken alfam, which is a half plate, which is around 220 rupees. The rest of there is chicken kalmi kebabs, tangi kebab, pahdi. There's a lot of it. It's also nominal, I think. There are different fish varieties also. Crab ghee roast and crab Vatichad.
Just for the people who doesn't like to go for the spicy thing.
Okay.
And for the drum chef, it will be a bit it with a chili sauce, you know, so it will be a bit spicy.
Spicy.
Not so spicy, type of medium spicy. So people who like a bit spicy, they can go for the drums of heaven instead of a lollipop. But if the people is not willing to go with for the spicy thing, then the lollipop will be best for that.
Superb.
And this too. Chicken will be there in the bamboo biryani, and the portion will be like a 2% of one bamboo biryani. It has a very lots of amount, so it will be serves actually 2 to 3%. So you can just
I
go
think-
for that, and if you
yeah.
like, then you can go for somewhere
Something else also, okay.
So altogether, so one drums of heaven and one chicken bamboo.
Chicken bab, perfect. That will be really helpful.
And we have
So we have ordered drums of heaven right now, and as well as we have ordered bamboo chicken biryani. So it seems it's around like it fits around 2 to 3 people. So it's kind of little too much. So yeah, but apparently there's a lot of good reviews about the bamboo biryani. So let's taste our bamboo biryani as well as our drums of heaven. Apparently. This tandoor items opens at 7 o'clock, so in case you are coming, you want to really order something really spicy and very tasty, something Mediterranean, it's better that you start ordering after 7 o'clock. Well, this is the view of a road from the way we sat. It was such a beautiful scene. Everybody walking across in the evening. And this place is like, the ambience over here is very good, nice setup, very peaceful. You get a cozy place actually. We're taking a corner spot. And it's a very calm place. Very good people as waiters. The people over here are really helpful. They suggest which good meal is good, what is the meal, how they make it, as well as they give a very good in-depth review about the amount of portions that a person can get. So, and what is the quantity. Very nice. I think they don't serve ordinary water. You have to buy the bottled water. Yeah. Firstly, our starters had arrived, and that was the drums of heaven. And the smell as well as the look of it was really tempting. This is the drums of heaven. Let's taste it. Superb. The meat is made well, as well as a little taste of coriander and onion leeks. And it's a little saucy. What he told is just the same way they brought it. Very tasty and yummy. How's it?
Nice. It's juicy actually and spicy also. I love spicy foods and it is good. Same heaven actually.
Really? So here's a bamboo biryani. Yeah. This is medium spice, right?
yes,
Okay.
it will be a mild spicy.
Mild spice, okay. Yeah. Yeah, even the smell, it's amazing.
Yeah, famous for that. And hope you'll have a very good time with this biryani and the drumstick.
Thank you. and you're a very good host too. Biryani, we have got raita and a couple of vegetables with which is made of cucumber, carrot, etc. So this is our food that we have got, and bamboo biryani with the starter of drums of heaven. This is a biryani over here, and they have used exceptionally long basmati rice, as the person told us, the host told us. They have used exceptionally, but it's very mild spice. It's good because I don't eat much of spice, but of course I love spice. So this one coupled with raita as well as with cucumber. So let's taste this biryani and see. Very nicely made. Nice blend of spices. Looks very mild, but
It's very beautiful also. He's made it really nice.
As the waiter said, it is mild spice only and it is very good. The rice are long rice and it is nicely cooked. It is excellent. I love this.
Excellent. So chicken alfam, and we have
Mayonnaise,
this is mayonnaise,
green chutney,
green chutney, and
mix.
mixed onions. Super. So we'll take a taste a piece of it.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Yeah. So we have a chicken alfam over here. It's a lovely fried piece, juicy piece of chicken. And let's taste it. So we have taken our mixed vegetables. Then we have taken some mayonnaise and the green chutney. Taste it. Very nicely grilled. It's amazing. Especially with the mayo and the green chutney. Taste is amazing and awesome. The bamboo biryani was kind of too much, so we had to parcel our food home. So, but it's really sufficient.
Very much, sir, that you came here for your dinner. It's really great that you come from so far for our thing here. So, and I hope you have enjoyed your food and everything. And if anything there you didn't like, then please do share it so that we can make it more better experience for the next time when you visit our restaurant. It's really great to serve you as well. And thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for
Thank you very much. Really, we are very honored to come here, and we enjoyed the experience also here.
Thank you very much.
Thank
It's our
you.
pleasure to have you as a guest like you, and it's really great to serve you. Thank you very much.
Thank
and
you.
Hope you have a lovely evening as well.
Thank you, Amit. Thank you. And this is our bill, and it just came to 819 rupees. It's amazing, and it's really cheap. We totally loved our bamboo biryani, and even the staff was really very hospitable, and they were very nice. They suggested a very good dinner. They really were accommodative. So we had a good time at Bamboo Biryani restaurant. Also, now we are really super full also. We urge you to come here to Bamboo Biryani restaurant. Taste the bamboo biryani. It's simply superb and out of the world. Especially, don't forget to have the chicken alfam. It's very tasty, and you'll really come back for it once more. So until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel too, and do give us your feedback on our videos. Bye bye.